all for coming to the product showcase. We're really excited to be here to demonstrate our flagship product, Capsilon DocVelocity. More than 100 large lenders use our solution to automate key steps along the mortgage loan lifecycle, reducing labor by up to 80%. Now, let's see DocVelocity in action. Here, we're looking at a loan. We're in the rich document viewer that displays all the documents in a loan folder. Using our automated document recognition technology, which we have patented, a single PDF can be automatically split, indexed, and filed in a matter of minutes, saving you up to 80% of the time that you've spent manually performing these tasks. Here, I'm showing the results of a typical PDF upload. If the system can't identify a document, it labels the document as unknown, and you can quickly find and rename the documents according to your taxonomy to ensure that the documents are identified properly according to your rules. Stacking orders can be associated with a specific task or tied to a type of delivery, giving you maximum flexibility in filtering the documents for viewing. Using this function, you can see the required documents for a specific task arranged in the order that they need to be sequenced. Also, you can quickly identify which documents you have versus which documents are missing. The missing documents are hiding in plain sight. They're highlighted in red. Using our side-by-side comparison view, you can locate two versions of the same document, then link them so that they can be scrolled together, making it easier for you to compare them to better understand what difference these documents may have. Using our patented automated data extraction technology, data can be extracted from documents for reviewing, for auditing purposes, or as a trigger for automating your workflow. Here, we're showing you a view of extracted data from a closing disclosure. Note the level of detail of all the fields in the document and how easy it is to compare the extracted data points to those same data points on the actual document. As you can see, this is a really powerful tool. You know, we've all read the reports that the TRID process is causing a significant increase in both the time it takes to close a loan and the total production costs of that loan. With Capsilon DocVelocity, you can speed up this closing process by enabling your closers to collaborate quickly and easily with settlement agents directly. After you've received an initial draft closing disclosure from your doc provider, the data is displayed in a fee sheet. This fee sheet is part of our TRID solution called Capsilon Collaborative Closing Center. As a closer, you can review these fees here and make changes if needed. When you're ready to send to a settlement agent, you click Send to a Settlement Agent. I'm only sending data that the agent needs to review rather than the actual document, thus eliminating any confusion that can happen when you exchange documents back and forth. The settlement agent gets a request through email, clicks a hyperlink to get to the settlement agent portal. Here, we're showing the portal where the agent can see their pipeline of their requests. Clicking on the request brings the agent to the fee sheet review. The view looks like the fee information page from the closing disclosure, making it simpler for a settlement agent to review and update fees as needed. Let's change one of the title fees. After editing it, it will change to yellow, giving you a visual indication of what changes you've made. Let's change the transfer tax as well. As you can see, this fee will also change to yellow. When the review has been completed, the agent just clicks Complete when done. Now, we return to DocVelocity where closers get a notification that the fees have been returned, and they return to the fee sheet here. And click on Review Fees to see the changes that the settlement agent has made. Now, the closer can approve of any of the changes or none of the changes by just clicking on the radio button next to the appropriate fee. The fees that have changed are again highlighted in yellow. From here, the closer can check to see if the fees returns are still in tolerance. If they aren't, then the cost to cure will be displayed. To do this, you run the tolerance check. This will compare the fee sheet against the current baseline for each fee or fee section. When fees appear in red, it means that they are out of tolerance. And when they appear in yellow, it means that those fees have changed but are still in tolerance. This report gives the closer a seamless view and tolerance levels, helping them to reduce the number of errors and issues with providing accurate closing disclosures. Using Capsilon DocVelocity e-signatures, you could send the closing disclosure to the borrower for electronic signature, speeding up the loan closing process. When all documents are ready for delivery to that investor, or to an investor, the documents can be arranged in the proper stacking order. You select the associated investor, and then you click Send to deliver the document through a secure connection directly to that investor, again, saving time and effort. To quickly summarize what we have shown you today, we provided a live demonstration of our flagship Capsilon DocVelocity solution that automates key steps along the mortgage loan lifecycle, from loan intake using our patented indexing technology to data extraction used for workflow automation. Our TRID solution for secure, fast collaboration between lenders and settlement companies, all the way through to easy delivery of loan packages to investors. To learn more, please come visit us at booth 212. Thank you for your time and attention this morning. We hope you enjoy the rest of the MBA Tech Conference.